In the event of a claim, homeowners insurance can be key to protecting your home, but there are big differences in some important terminology. Let's talk about that. Hi, it's Heather from Barry Insurance. Insurance can be confusing, and if you're in the market for new homeowners insurance or simply reviewing your current policy, we know how easy it is to get lost in the torrent of insurance terminology. One of the questions we get asked all the time is what is the difference between replacement cost and guaranteed replacement cost? So in this video, you will learn what is replacement cost, what is guaranteed replacement cost, is replacement cost or guaranteed replacement cost right for me? Let's jump in. What is replacement cost? Replacement cost value, or RCV, is the cost to replace something as new or an equal value. Having replacement cost coverage reimburses you after experiencing a total loss to rebuild or repair what was damaged. The reimbursement you receive is based on the value initially deemed by the insurance provider. Replacement cost does not factor in things like depreciation or wear and tear over time. You're only paid back based on the determined value of the dwelling or personal property. For example, if your home's rebuild cost was estimated at $300,000, that's how much you would receive after experiencing a total loss. Keep in mind, replacement cost is different from actual cash value, which takes into account multiple factors like depreciation, land value, location, and more. If you'd like to learn more about the difference between replacement cost coverage and actual cash value, check out the article linked in the description of this video. What is guaranteed replacement cost? Guaranteed replacement cost is, as the name suggests, guaranteed. This means if you experience a total loss on your home and must rebuild, the amount you receive is not limited or capped at the total amount of the replacement cost. For example, if your home's rebuild cost was $300,000, guaranteed replacement cost would cover the rebuild, even if the cost exceeds the estimated cost due to factors such as inflation or labor costs. Having guaranteed replacement cost on your policy offers the highest level of protection and gives you peace of mind knowing your home will be covered after a loss, no matter how expensive it is. Does guaranteed replacement cost more? Since guaranteed replacement cost offers more expansive coverage, it will likely increase your homeowner's insurance premium. The exact cost of this coverage will vary between location and insurer, as some states do not even offer this coverage as an option. Generally, you can expect this coverage to cost between 5 to 10% of your total policy premium. The deductible you will have to pay after a claim will also vary based on the insurer. However, you will likely have the same deductible options with guaranteed replacement cost than you would have for other replacement coverages. Is replacement cost or guaranteed replacement cost right for me? Unfortunately, that depends on several factors. Ultimately, the decision to go with replacement cost or guaranteed replacement cost for your policy comes down to you and what your agent or provider recommends. While most carriers do offer limits lower than guaranteed replacement cost, we don't recommend that here at Barry Insurance, as the savings is minimal and the difference in coverage is vast. We believe it serves the client's best interest to have guaranteed coverage without a cap to protect what's most important. Replacement cost would be ideal for those looking to balance coverage and cost. For example, if your kitchen was built 15 years ago and is now damaged, the policy would pay what it costs to rebuild the kitchen today rather than reducing the claim payment due to the cabinets and materials depreciating with age. This would also be a great option for properties where the rebuilding costs are relatively stable. Guaranteed replacement cost is more suitable for those who want the most protection and are willing to pay a potentially higher premium for it. This coverage is also recommended for homes in areas where natural disasters may occur, as the cost of building materials and labor can skyrocket if a large area is damaged. Here at Barry Insurance, we try to write policies with guaranteed replacement cost whenever possible. That way we ensure our clients get the best possible protection in the event of a claim. That being said, guaranteed replacement costs may not be available to cover every home. Older homes or homes made from harder to replace materials may not be eligible for guaranteed replacement cost coverage. So be sure to talk with your agent about your options when shopping for a homeowner's policy. If you'd like to learn more about insuring an older home, check out the article linked in the description of this video. Your home is the base of operations. It holds your belongings, memories, and most importantly, your family. A total loss on your home would be devastating, so getting the best protection for your needs will help you prepare for the worst case scenario. If you have more questions on homeowners insurance, check out our Learning Center on our website. We have tons of articles and videos on all types of insurance. If you found today's video helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our YouTube channel. We make videos like this every week to help educate our viewers of the world of insurance. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.